Yeah. Slow mo.
Hi Nail Fam, hope you are doing well. Happy Saturday to everyone. So my order from GLOWTIPS has arrived. I ordered these 4 gel polishes and I also won a giveaway and they sent me over a Polygel Kit. So I will be unboxing everything here and showing you what I got. So we'll start off with the Polygel Kit, and as you can see here, the box is nice and beautiful. All of the instructions are on the inside lid, which is nice. That's less paper. And here are the contents of this box. So we do have a set of dual forms, which I don't use, and then we have a 100-180 file with their brand on it, which is nice to know. And we also have a polygel brush. There is a brush side double-ended, and then the other side has the polygel spatula. And I was struggling just a little bit to get the caps off because this is clear caps, which is different than the typical metal cap. So I thought that was a little bit innovative, but it was a little bit difficult to get off, but it worked out in the end. And also it comes with the typical base gel as well as the top gel as well. And what I liked about this particular kind of polygel kit is that you are in control of the colors. So they allow you to actually pick out which 2 polygel colors, and I picked out the nude pink as well as this mocha nude because I thought the colors looked really nice and I wanted something that would match my complexion, and also a nice big size bottle of slip solution. So now let's go ahead and check out the gel polishes that I purchased. Again, thank you to GLOWTIPS for allowing me to win this giveaway and be able to use these polygels. So they recently launched these gel polishes. Let me just tell you, look at this bottle. Look at how beautiful this is. And then there's 12 mil in here, so it's more than typical regular gel polishes. Absolutely stunning packaging, and look at this color. Look at how delicious and juicy and jelly that color is. So I have my little stiletto swatch sticks here. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each of the colors for you just so you can see the beautiful magic. And for a glitter gel polish, let me just tell you, it looks like it's going on chunky and it looks like it's going to be a little bit textured whilst you're putting this on, right? But as I cured this under my UV lamp, everything literally laid flat. Like I was like, wow, you know what I mean? Usually with like chunky gel polishes, like sometimes they have a little bit of texture. This was so smooth with no exaggeration. So I really liked these glitter gel polishes. See? Absolutely flat, no texture, no bumps, no nothing. So this is the next one here called Candlelit. It's a nice, soft, kind of gold glitter gel polish again, which I thought was perfect for this Christmas holiday season. Just gonna go ahead and swatch this and let you watch the magic. Isn't this a stunning color? Absolutely stunning color. Has Christmas written all over it, bling bling. Okay, so 2 of my favorite colors in the entire world is purple and of course pink. So that's why I got the pink as well as the purple. And these are so creamy. They're so thick. And when you are applying like these thick gel polishes, look how thick that is. Like you be concerned like, oh my gosh, it's too much, it's not gonna cure. And let me just say, as I was applying these polishes, they were like self-leveling, like they were just fixing themselves. They were just aligning, like me and the polish became one. We understood each other and it just stayed where I put it and leveled off. And when I cured it under my UV lamp, one coat, I didn't use 2, just 1 coat, and it was like thick enough. Like I didn't even need to apply a second coat. So again, chunky glitters lay down flat. Thickness and opacity, all there. Good size, packaging is there, customer service is there. Like, and they're a new brand as well. Like I found out about them through X Gels by Bowen and Mama Does Nails on Instagram, who I both follow. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, these look really interesting. So I'm really glad that I purchased them. And I know that they have a few more colors on their collection, and plus they're expanding. So definitely, if you're looking for a small business to support, definitely go and check them out. You know what I mean? So now let's get into these nail designs. Gonna be doing the Lazy Girl method again because why not? I love the Lazy Girl method and I don't like filing. Hello. So I'm going in with a layer of base gel onto all of the nails, and I'm going to be adding some glitter to these nails because I'm obsessed with glitter. And you know, Charlie's Nail Art sent me a ton of glitters. So I decided I'm going to use the nude pink from this collection, and I'll do another tutorial or a video or a photo or post on Instagram with the other polygel. But look how gorgeous this is. It's very flesh colored, and I feel like the polygel could match almost any complexion. So this is the Fairy Sparkle glitter from the Charlie's Nail Art Advent Calendar, or it's either the Glitter Advent Calendar, one of those calendars. And I thought because it's pink and it's very purpley, which is the colors that I have, I thought this glitter would match those best. So just kind of pour a little bit. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't that so beautiful? So sparkly. So I have my little triangular tray. Whilst the base gel is still wet on the nails, I'm just going to take my brush and put some to the top of the nail. This is going to be a glitter French ombre. So I'm just going to cover the top part of the nail and then flash cure this for 10 seconds. Once I'm done flash curing, I'm just going to take a little dusting brush and remove any excess glitter that might not have cured to the base gel layer. And I'm going to go in with another layer of base gel because I'm going to need that wetness to put the polygel on next. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Nail Fam. Really appreciate it. And I'm going to go ahead and put the featured comment up on the screen of one of the first persons that commented on my last video. Thank you so much. All right, so we've got our base gel down. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the poly gel. So I'm just going to take, I don't know, a half of the nail, a little bit, because this poly gel, the hole on the poly gel is a little bit thicker than I don't know. I feel like a lot came out and I'm not sure how much I will need. So I'm just going to do halfway. I'm going to take my brush with a little bit of that slip solution on it and just kind of pat it down. What I also like to do is like try to create like a little slice in the middle and kind of just push it gently, pull it down and spread it to the sides. Alrighty, the polygel is secure. Now it is time to apply to my nail, and there we go. Apply it very gently, don't push too hard, and make sure your nail is straightened up. If you have any spillage to the side, take some isopropyl alcohol and kind of remove that with your polygel brush. But here we go. Here is how the nail is looking after I have cured under my UV lamp. And now I'm going to do the exact same design on my ring finger as well as my pinky finger by applying some glitter, applying my polygel, and then applying the nails directly to my fingertips. For my index and for my middle finger, I'm just going to go in with a full cover of the entire polygel. And there you go. That's how the nail is looking so far. So now we're ready to go ahead and file and buff our nails. Here's how my nail looks once I am done filing and buffing. And now I'm going to go in with these gel polishes. So I'm going to go use these two Fismus and Candlelit glitter gel polishes. First, I'm going to start off with using Fismus, and I'm just going to apply that to the 2/3 mark that's on this nail, and I apply it to the entire section of this nail as well as the pinky and my thumb. And this is still wet. While this is still wet, I'm gonna ombre this just a little bit with my ombre brush. If you have an ombre brush, you can use that. If you have maybe just a regular brush, just kind of take your time and feather out, I think that's what they call it, feather out the top part of this nail, which I'll show you in a few seconds. Now, once you are satisfied with how your ombre is looking, go ahead and wipe any excess gel polish off using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Now, this is still wet. So I'm going to add another layer of this ombre kind of glitter by using the Candlelit, that gold glitter. And we're just going to apply that to like the center of the ombre while it is still wet. And then we're going to take our ombre brush and we're going to ombre the top and the bottom part of this gold glitter. All right, now it's time to bring out the big boys, my line art gel. I'm just going to do a little bit of plaid nails on this index finger, starting off with the white. Then I'm going to go in with some pink and gold lines on my nails. And then we're going to end with some white little stars using that white line art gel. And then I have these stickers here. We're just going to write the word Santa on that middle finger. And here is how the nails are looking. Once you're done, you go ahead with some top gel and your nails are completely done. Absolutely obsessed with how easy it was to use these products. And I do hope you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial. I will see you in the next video.